Hello everyone, Mr. Brewer again. Talking today about naming ionic compounds. We talked yesterday about writing binary compounds. Today we're going to talk about naming them. How do we name them? Well, the cation is always the positive charged ion in a binary compound. And that one always comes first. The anion, cation, if you remember cations, cats have paws and cations are positive. So if you remember that, cations are positive. They always come first. They come first right away in the beginning. Anions are the negative part. The anions are negative, so they always come second. And when we're writing our naming our ionic compounds, we always take our first compound, the positive, the cation, is always given its normal name, calcium in this case. Calcium would be just calcium. The monatomic, the anion gets "ide" put on the end of it. So if we had Ca, let me get my pen going here, CaCl2, we would call that calcium chloride. I'm sorry, when I put this in to explain everything, it didn't show everything up, but we can get it from here. So we'd have calcium chloride. Let's go over and take a look at number one right over here, lithium and the F, Li and F. Well, we know lithium is their positive because it's the first one. Our cation is always first because it's positive. Fluorine is negative right here, okay? And we don't call it fluorine because it is a binary compound. We would call this lithium fluoride. Fluoride. Again, "ide" goes on the end of it. And that's how we end our naming of ionic compounds. Lithium fluoride. Binary meaning two. Lithium is one, fluoride is the other. Two, lithium fluoride. Hey, everybody, have a great day. We'll see ya.